Since time immemorial, royalty and Punjab have shared a very close bond. Home to many kings, Punjab, the land of five rivers, has been a witness to opulence and extravagance of unmatched proportions. Royal city of Patiala, the capital city of Baba Ala Singh's principality, traces its genesis to 1763. In fact, the name Patiala is an interesting and meaningful union of two words. Patti, that is a strip of land, and Ala, the founder of the city. So, a literal translation of the name Patiala in English is the land of Ala. Maharaja Bhupinder Singh, arguably one of the most well-known kings of India, took the city of Patiala to newer heights and placed it on the world map. Known for extravagance, Maharaja Bhupinder Singh's interest in the finer things of life made him embark on a fascinating pursuit. Major General, he was the proud recipient to several medals from several European countries. In addition, being a connoisseur of the exquisite and rare things, he was a passionate collector of pieces that were fine representations of fine craftsmanship and history. Nurturing the foundation laid by his father, Maharaja Yadavinder Singh built a memorable and noteworthy showcase of his father's priceless collection. He also made a significant contribution to the collection. The impressive collection was initially housed at Sheesh Mahal. Led by the firm belief that the illustrious collection should belong to the nation at large and should be showcased to the whole world, Maharaja Yadavinder Singh donated the entire collection to the Punjab Government Museum. In 2021, Government of Punjab decided on a stately platform for this collection. And the platform is the stately Mohindra Kothi, built by the 6th King of Patiala Maharaj Mohinder Singh. It was the official residence of Kunwar Bhupinder Singh before he became the Maharaja of Patiala in 1900. The 84-room property showcases thousands of rare medals, orders and decorations from all over the world, antique coins, cache of weapons, armors and portraits of the Maharajas. Whenever we think of a medal, a piece of metal with inscriptions or designs instituted to commemorate a person, place or event comes to our mind. But when we spare a deeper thought, we realize that medals are much more than just pieces of metals. Medals, especially the ones for bravery, are significant pieces of history written by the recipients with their sweat and blood. Maharaja Bhupinder Singh understood and recognized this fact and was driven by his passion to collect medals of honor from all over the world. The medal gallery also showcases some of the most noteworthy medals awarded to Maharaja Bhupinder Singh for his bravery and service. Legion of Honor, the highest French order of merit, both military and civil, established by Napoleon Bonaparte. The Victory Medal, a United Kingdom and British Empire First World War Campaign Medal. Order of the British Empire, a British order of chivalry, established in 1917 by King George V. Grand Cross of the Order of the Crown of Italy. Grand Cordon of the Order of the Nile of Egypt. Grand Cordon of the Order of Leopold of Belgium. Grand Cross of the Order of the Crown of Romania. The Victoria Cross are just a few of the medals that were awarded to Maharaja Bhupinder Singh and are now a part of the museum's showcase. In a nutshell, the museum has a showcase of medals that sheds streaks of light on 7 centuries of history, spanning 6 continents, and is perhaps one of the largest collections anywhere in the world. The museum also showcases the medals constituted by the state of Patiala. Yaduvansha Manya Medal, the Order of Krishna and Guru Ghar Manya Mandal, the Order of the Holy Saint, Nishan-e-Iftikhar, the Order of Merit are just a few of the most noteworthy medals founded by Maharaja Bhupinder Singh and are now a part of the showcase of this museum. Here, a noteworthy fact is that these medals are also testimonies of the communal harmony prevalent in Patiala. Historical evidences prove that the world's first coins appeared around 600 BC, jingling around in the pockets of the Lydians. In fact, India happens to be one of the earliest issuers of coins and features amongst the very few countries with a similar diversity of coins. Apart from issuing coins of several denominations in the state of Patiala, Maharaja Bhupinder Singh also collected coins from all over the world. More than 3,000 coins from Maharaja Bhupinder Singh's collection are now on display in this museum. Some of the most noteworthy coins are the coins of Nizam of the Punjab, minted in Lahore in 1757. Hindu Shahi coins, coins issued by rulers of northern and western India. Also, there is a colossal collection of coins from the princely states of undivided India. In addition, the collection has a sizable section of coins from foreign countries like Netherlands, Imperial British East Africa Company, Myanmar, Iraq, Egypt, Canada, USA, Ireland, Hong Kong, Germany, France, UAE, Cyprus, Vatican City, and Bahamas. In a battlefield, a soldier's biggest weapons are his heart and mind. That said, the right weapon at the right time proves to be decisive in a battle. The armory of Qila Mubarak, supposed to be one of the richest and most diverse, had quite a few rare weapons of its times. Another highlight of this armory is its range of cannons. From small and miniature cannons to the ones on carriages, Qila Mubarak's armory had an impressive range to suit myriad needs. In addition, the remarkable weaponry also has quite a few significant pieces like the 7-barrel bolt-action gun, a jade dagger that belonged to Guru Gobind Singh, and a sword used by Nadir Shah, a powerful ruler of Iran. A look at the collection reveals the craftsmanship of the master craftsman, strength of the soldiers who wielded these weapons and used them with precision in the battlefields. Now, after understanding the life and times of the members of the royal family of the state of Patiala, it's only natural to wonder about their physical appearances. The portrait gallery of this museum satiates this curiosity with its showcase of the portraits of the Maharajas, with every piece finding a place in this museum, being carefully handpicked and documented for the ease of understanding. The museum will fill your mind with memories, trivia, and fun facts. So let us welcome you to Mohindra Koti. Let us give you a glimpse of the life and times of the Maharajas of Patiala.